It's your boy, whatsold. Hold up. I turn on some light. Alright, we're gonna do this real quick. Real quick. Real quick. You know how it goes. You know what's going on. Alright, boom. There they go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in my sleep. Hey, alright, we're gonna start with the big one. That's a blind 58 by 72. Boom, boom, boom. That's a bigger blind 57.5 by 64. That's this one. Boom, boom. Then you got bird seed. Boom. Then you got, oh, I didn't write it down, but I know what it is. It's those two. Those two things. Boom. Then you got a blues clues. Then you got LOL. I'm gonna have to go. Oh no. The blues clues in this other room. Hold them up. Get my blues clues. Get my clues, the blues. Oh. There you go. Let's get it. Alright. You know what's about to happen. You know what's coming up at that box right there. You know what's coming up. ASMR time. Let's get it. Here we go. Is this satisfying? Oh. This is such a breeze with one hand. That wasn't good cricket, but I get it. There it go. A blues clues. And that's what's sold. In a super flash that time. Peace out. That's what I said. This is me packing fast. Okay, so I'm just reading what I already wrote. But hey, we are here. I'm here. I came back on the microphone because when I recorded it like this fast, it don't record no sound. So I know the beat playing. Oh yeah, that beat I made, by the way. Also, if you didn't know, yeah. But yeah, that's a good beat playing, and it's gonna switch up. Oh, at the end of all of this, it's a song that's gonna start playing. It's called Cash Stacker by Da Vinci. I don't know Da Vinci per se. I know who brought Da Vinci over to one of my spots I had when I was recording. I know Classic. Shouts out to. They got a magazine. What type of magazine? It's I don't want to say the wrong name. I ain't gonna say no name, but shouts out to Classic and that magazine in the DFW area. You know what I'm saying? You can hear you can see stuff, a whole bunch of information. Big shouts out to her. Also, another shout out to the Silly Girl podcast. I'm gonna do shouts out until I get a shout out back. So if you're hearing this right now, I'm waiting on you. You know what I'm saying? Well, I can't slide this over. Oh, here you go. But that song finna start. So yeah, that's all I wanted. I was just letting you know a little something, just putting a little something on top of that. You know, shouts out to who bought the blues clues. Took me forever to pack it up. And shouts out to who bought the LOL. The blues clues going to Socorro, Texas. LOL. Okay, here go the cash stack. I'm just gonna let this play. All right.
cash stacker, yeah. I busted things out the rapper. They didn't know I was a trapper. I guess they think I'm just a rapper. Tell them I'm a cash stacker. Aim for the sky, so I be with the stars. Make my money stack up until it reach Mars. I be a millionaire before I be behind bars. Cause I speak the street shit when you hear me spitting bars. I score a lot of drugs, so I got a lot of gold. Nigga, you ain't getting bread, I better got a lot of lows. My nigga from the Grove, he gonna front a couple O's. My life is like a movie, but you can't bring me at lows. It's not the life I chose, this is like they chose me. I used to be hell, be glad I'm not the old me. Grew up in the streets where you learn from an OG. Talk all you want, but you gon' have to show me. Pay up if you owe me, yeah, I mean pronto. Meet me at the store, too much traffic through my front door. 5-0, watch you thinking I'm the head honcho. If you score once for me, then you gon' want more. Still on the hunt for them Franklin and them Jacks. Prices so low, they don't think that we be taxed. Working off the phone, we no longer be trapped. Getting money, getting the money, that's the laws of attraction. Gotta keep on stacking, I can get a nappy. See a lot of action, selling drugs and rapping. Words need no caption, you still see what I'm saying. That is like my playground, but now we ain't playing. Look, I bust a thing out the rapper. They didn't know I was a trapper. I guess they think I'm just a rapper. Tell them I'm a cash stacker, yeah. I bust the things out the rapper. They didn't know I was a trapper. I guess they think I'm just a rapper. Tell them I'm a cash stacker.